Our next game on our list is called Mitoza. This was another one on Y8, so, why not? Alright, so we got a seed here. Alright, so do we want a pot out of it, or do we want a bird out of it? I would love to see a bird. Oh, never mind. Oh, he ate it. Oh, okay, egg. Well, okay, let's have a big egg. Whoa. Where'd he go? Kidding me? I saw him just leave the solar system at this point. Huh. Poor bird. Didn't even mean to do it. He just shot out an egg and just flew into the sky. Alright, so, what kind of egg is this? Double horns? Oh, is this a good egg or a bad egg? From what I know from Charles and the Chocolate Factory, it's a bad egg. That is not what I expected. Congratulations. What? Death plant? Death egg? Egg death? Egg death plant? Plant of egg death? What? Alright, so, ice cream or a hole? We already have put one in there, so let's make a bigger one. Hey! That egg didn't deserve anything like that. Found a hole. Milk. What the fuck? Okay, that is the most disturbing image I've seen. Stay away from me, you Val. Okay, you know what? Oh, where did that come from? Clearly it didn't come from either of these. The hell is that thing? Ugh. Get rid of it. Just, move. Yeah, abduct this thing. Get it off our planet. We don't want it here. Goodbye, you... Oh, we're back here. Oh! Well! That was an adventure. Alright. So, let's go down to the no, let's go down the other route. If you see some cuts in this video, I'll just skip the ones you've already seen. Alright, so we're back here. We got the big egg. Poor bird. Let's go down this way. Bye, I guess! Again! Fucking leave the bird alone! Alright, so... men's bathroom or girls' bathroom? I'm a fan of girls, but I'm a boy, so boys' bathroom. What is it? The hell is this game? I need an elephant's memory. I need to remember why I play this game. What? Okay. We're just gonna go down some other routes and try to make sure we can get everything so you can see the frickin' horrors that I've seen in here. Alright, big egg. Man, we should play a game. Alright, so, ice cream. I don't think that's it. That's not an ice cream store I want. What? Yeah, as I said, I don't think that's an ice cream store I want to go to. Ugh, kids. Alright, so we did milk last time, and that made it utterly disturbing. Alright, moving on. Oh look, it's the child. Oh no. My mother found a hole. I am a bad son, apparently. Son, you get off of your mother! The mother hasn't even hatched yet, and of course, already being disappointed. Alright, rain, well, I don't think that would be good, so let's just protection. There we go, it's a good egg. It's a lovely egg. Good job, son. What is it, a gopher egg or something? Oh, ah! Alright, back on your mother. I think that would probably be the wrong comment. Alright, I'm sorry, but something bad happened. So, we made a scientific discovery today. Apparently, lightning just makes a seed if you strike it with... an egg with it. The more you know. Da, 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 da. Alright, we got the small egg, so now let us go into the girls' bathroom. That is not a girl... Unless it's... Kill it with fire! That's a good idea. I didn't mean that one! No! That bad freaking bunny! No! Poor Goofy. Alright, so they dug into the ground, and now it's time to see what the duck does. Oh no. Oh no, it's Rubber Ducky! Yay, Rubber Ducky! You're the one! Oh, I don't want to do that, so let's put a hat on you. Oh, it's so beautiful, Rubber Ducky. The hell did that thing just... Did you just eat that with your ass? Ah! Oh. Poor bird. We're gonna see what happens when we nail the bunny. Oh! Oh! Oh, it made noises. Welcome to Mitoza. Alrighty then. I don't even know. I'm gonna stop with that route. If I missed any, I'm sorry. Alright, so... Okay, it's a plant. Alright, we'll do the normal thing. Water it. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. A bowling... What? Box? Alright, let's package it up. Let's try something nice on it. Oh, hey, look at that. Alright, not a bad house. Either bear or not the bees. You know what? Not the bees. Not the bees! Not the bees! Bees. I came in like a wrecking ball. So cute. They love that seed. And they just robbed it of all its valuables. Wow, you dicks. Water it. Box it. Alright, so I guess now that we colored this, bears. Why are you shaking your eyebrows like that? Okay, so we either blow his mind, or break his heart. I'm sorry, but you are a creepy bear, and I don't like those eyebrows. No, I don't like those eyebrows at all. So I'm gonna break your heart. Ah! I'm sorry. Hey! Oh, you didn't have to go do that. You're lucky the seed survived. Box it. Color. Bear. Alright, you know what? I was mean the last time. You know? I'm just gonna give it to you. Blow my mind. Oh, wonderful. Friendship. I didn't see nothing. If I saw something, my brain would be too wrapped up on trying to figure it out. Water it. Box it. Alright, now let's cut it. Oh, let's open it up. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh! How the fuck did you get in there? What the... Ew. Oh, jeez. I don't even think I want either. Either something, if air comes out of it, which I don't think I want, or water comes out of it, which I think I definitely don't want. And blow, Laszlo, blow! Or suck, Laszlo, suck. And they just fade away. Like an angel's kiss. Back in the pot. Water it. Package that son bitch. Ah, cut it up. Ew. What kind of game is this? Just a freaking nose. Oh. And that makes it grow. Yeah, scrap that idea. Just throw it away. You know what? I don't think you wanted to go with that idea. Alright, so I think we thoroughly went this way, the watering it. Alright, let's give it some potion. Oh, hello. Oh yeah, which bug do you want? Fly is a usual thing, but you know what? Let's give it something scrumptious. Oh, I'm sorry! No, leave him alone. Ice cream again? I don't like what happened the last time. Last time an eggplant chased some children. Who knows if those children are even round anymore? They could possibly be flat. But okay. Oh. I'm sorry, but there's some things even a mother couldn't love. And you're definitely one of them. I don't even think the devil wants you at this point. So you know what? I want you to get rid of that mouth. I'm taking your teeth away. Okay, yeah, there's some things only a mother could love. But you're not one of them. Again, mother! Mother wouldn't even love it! I'm scared! Why the kid voice, too? Why you had to give it to it? To all of my viewers, if I end up dying at some point because there's some weird cocoon bat creature with fangs, just run for your life. Forget about it. Just launch a nuke on my house, please. Alright, so we wrapped you up nice and good. Let's give you a tree. Broccoli! Ah, nobody likes the broccoli. Yeah, let's erase this shit. There. They're all baby broccolis, so they all sound like babies trying to say something. Okay, I know what this is gonna do. Yeah, I kind of figured. No, not the rubber ducky, not the one! No! Rubber ducky, survive! You're not the rubber ducky, what happened? We're sending all types of birds into space, and I don't think we're ever going to have any more species anymore. We're going to move on to whales, we're going to move on to tigers, we're just going to send them all to space at this point. Yeah, wrap you up nice. At this point, I think I'd just run away. Alright, cake is not allowed. I want the cake now. Oh, wow. It's actually a reference from that. Oh. Hey, that's cool. Alright, so let's draw something on it this time. Oh, no, leave him. Oh! Dude, stop. Wait. Oh, this is disgusting. Hey, you don't even know where that thing's come from? Alright, bye. If you gain opioids of some sort, then sure. Put some fertilizer on it. Alright, now, the spider root didn't do good for you. So we're going to give you something actually food-like. Okay, I just don't understand. Oh. We didn't like flies up close anyway. Oh! We're whap it. Or give it a piece of shit. Here. Here's some shit, sir. Just eat the cherry. I think I'm going into mental ward soon. Alright, sir. I'm sorry, but I tried feeding you something. I'm sorry, sir, but I tried. Ah, it's giving shit! The only thing I desire to give something is shit. Banana? Ah! Yeah, please don't eat that shit. It's gross. Alright, so... rock... bread. Am I rock? Rock! 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 Can you slap it, please? Just take it and just... like slapping a monkey. Alright, slapping it. We made more horrors. Ah, oh, come on! I don't want any more. Boo! Yeah, just no more. No more. No more. I don't. Fuck the seed at this point. They're made out of metal. Bye. All right, we slapped you. And you know what? It's time for you to die. Yeah, die. This is not what I meant. To die or not to die? That is the question. We already know what that answer is. Fucking die. No. Boo! Hey, get the hell out of here, you foul cretins of hell. Ugh. I believe there was one more route. Now we just gotta give a thumbs up, because even if we don't want to, I want to see the roots. Alright, you know what? I'll give you enough shit as it is. I've already given you shit, literally. So you know what? You did it okay. You weren't too gross. There we go, nice picture. Well, before we end this video, one more thing. Let us celebrate this Christmas, considering this is about maybe 3-4 days before that I make this. But I want to upload it somewhere around it. Everybody, Merry Christmas! And how about we end this video with launching one more bird to space. Godspeed, you magnificent bastard.